We'll guide you through how to fix a ChatGPT bug. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website where you access ChatGPT. Make sure you're logged into your account. Sometimes bugs can occur due to outdated browser versions, so ensure your browser is up to date. If it's not, update it to the latest version. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve issues by removing any outdated or corrupted data that might be causing the bug. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, refresh the ChatGPT page. If you're still experiencing the bug, try using a different browser to see if the issue persists. Sometimes browser-specific issues can be resolved by switching to a different one. If the bug continues, check if there are any updates available for ChatGPT itself, as developers frequently release updates to fix known bugs. You can usually find update information on the OpenAI website or within the ChatGPT app if there is one. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as disruptions in connectivity can sometimes cause performance issues. If all else fails, you can reach out to OpenAI support team for further assistance. They might be able to provide a specific solution based on the bug you're encountering. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.